Today I'll be creating an inside and outside toolpath, tabs, naming toolpaths, and saving as a CRV and SVP. First, we're going to measure the dimension of the wood that we're using and insert it. For the length and height, we're going to use a tape measure. For the thickness, use a caliper. I'm using half a sheet of wood, which is 48 by 48, although a full sheet would be 96 by 48. Under Create Vectors, click Draw Triangle and draw two triangles with one inside the other. Then click the inner triangle and click the toolpath button in the top right side of the screen. Then click Pocket. I'm going to make the outside cut and make the depth of the cut smaller than the thickness of the wood. I'd like to be whatever you need. Use a quarter down cut tool and leave the rest of the factors the same, although change the name to Inside Pocket. After changing the name, hit Calculate to check. Then we're going to click the outside. Then we're going to click Profile Cut. When doing a profile cut, make sure the cut depth is the same as the original dimensions you made for the wood. Then we're going to use a quarter down cut, which refers to the bit. Make the machine vector outside right, so it shows the machine where based on the line to cut. Then we're going to add tabs. When adding tabs, you can click directly on them to delete. You can click onto the line to add more. Then change the name to Outside Profile and hit Preview, and make all pocket cuts before profile cuts to prevent shifting. After everything is finished, there are two ways to save something from VCarve. A CRV is used to save the VCarve document so it's able to be edited later, although this cannot be used at the shopper. SVP, this is used to save toolpaths and only the toolpath, so it can be used to tell the shop out what to cut. By saving this way, this file cannot be edited in VCarve later. Make sure when you're doing this that the toolpath list is checked.